Hi, today we will see what are the number functions and how does it work in Tableau. So Tableau has a lot of function and which deals with the different field. So for example, there are number functions, string functions and type conversion and so many. So for that, let's first click on the create calculation field. And so here we can see there's one drop down. If I click on this drop down, we can see the function that deals with the particular field. So first one is the number, second one is string, then data, type conversion, logical, aggregate functions, user, table calculations, and spatial. So now we will see the number functions only. So if I click on the number function, so here we can see there are a lot of number functions that Tableau has. So number functions only deal with the numeric data. So in our data, there are discount, profit, sales, quantity, and orders. These are the field which are having data in numerical form. Number function can only work with that. So if we take the example of some functions, so let's say ABS. ABS means absolute. So this function, what this function does, this function returns the absolute value. So is there's a number in negative, it will return. For example, here we can see ABS inside the function. It uses the input as a negative of 7, but it will return the absolute value of 7, which is 7. So if I let's create the function ABS 5 and click on apply. Okay, now take this field and drop it onto your table. So now click on this drop down. Now go to measure and select average. So now I can see it is showing the positive of 5. So if we look at the value what was inside the function, so which is a negative of 5, but it is returning the positive of 5, which is the absolute value. So this is how all the number functions can, and every number functions have their own uh, we can say uh, work. So like for example, absolute value returns the absolute function returns the absolute value. If we take any random function, for example ceiling function, so it will return the value which is closest to the number, or it will round up the value. So every function has their own method, or their own working. So this is how uh, we can use the number function in Tableau. And thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more.